Morning students, Sai Ram. Welcome to Active English class. Students, I hope you all must have practiced, you all must be practicing the Active English lessons which we have studied in our last period. Yes or no? So students, today also we are going to see one interesting chapter in Active English. But before starting our chapter, we'll see few sentences. So are you all ready? Okay, let's start with the sentences. First sentence, Seema has black skirt, Maya has black skirt. I repeat, Seema has black skirt, Maya has black skirt. Now we'll see the next sentence. Rohan is holding a yellow paper, Meena is holding a yellow paper. I repeat, Rohan is holding a yellow paper. Meena is holding a yellow paper. Now students, in first sentence also, Seema and Maya both were having same color skirt. Yes or no? And in the second sentences also, Rohan and Meena both are having same color paper. Now, how to join this when two people are having similar thing at that time? How to join when two sentences are when there are two similar things in the sentences, but the sentences are written different, and we have to join that sentence when the sentences are written separately, and we have to join that sentence. What conjunction we have to use and how we have to join this sentence, we will see in this chapter. So are you all ready? Shall we start? Okay, so today's our chapter is 1 2 1 2, and when to use this 1 2 in the sentences I will teach you. So shall we start with the chapter? Okay, we'll see some examples about this. Okay, our first sentence, Prem has blue shirt, Mohan has blue shirt. Can you see in the picture both the boys are having same color shirt. Prem is having blue shirt, Mohan is having blue shirt. Now in these two sentences, see, these two sentences are written separately, but in these two sentences the things are same. Yes or no? The things are same. The color of the thing is also same and the things are same. Now we have to join this sentence. So how we will join this sentence? Instead of full stop, see, can you see there is one full stop between two sentences. So we will remove that full stop, and in the place of that full stop we will write the conjunction and. We will use the conjunction and we will join these two sentences. And in the second part of the sentence, in the second sentence, we will not use the full thing name, that is blue shirt. Instead of blue shirt, we will write Prem has blue shirt and Mohan has blue 1 2. Instead of again using the word shirt, we will use 1 2. In the place of using the name of that thing again and again, we will write the word, we will add these two words, that is 1 2. So Prem has blue shirt, full stop, Mohan has blue shirt. Now how we will join these sentences? Let's see. See, Prem has a blue shirt and Mohan has a blue 1 2. Now you have understood what teacher wants to say. See, Prem has a blue shirt, and in the place of full stop we have written the conjunction and. What conjunction we have used? And then we have continued with the second sentence, that Prem has a blue shirt and Mohan has a blue, and in the place of that thing, that is again, you instead of using the word shirt again, we have used these two words, that is 1, 2. Okay, so how you will read this sentence? Prem has a blue shirt and Mohan has a blue one too. How you will read this sentence? Prem has a blue shirt and Mohan has a blue one too. Now let's see second sentence. Maya has a thick book. Anu has a thick book. Now both the girls are having thick book. So we have to join this to separate sentences. So how we will join? Let's see. Maya has a thick book, and in the place of full stop, which conjunction we have used here? And to join this separate sentences. To join this separate sentences, we have used the conjunction and. Which conjunction we have used? And we have written and we have continued with the second sentence. That is, Anu has a thick one too. In the place of book, we have written two sentences, two words, that is 1, 2. So how you will read the sentence? Maya has a thick book and Anu has a thick one too. In the place of word book, we have written two words, that is 1, 2. So, Maya has a thick book, full stop. Anu has a thick book. So, how you will join this sentence? Maya has a thick book and Anu has a thick one too. How you will read? Maya has a thick book and Anu has a thick 1, 2. After 1, you have to give 1 comma. Now let's see another example. Mr. Rao has a red car. Full stop. Mr. Das has a red car. Now in these two sentences, both the person are having same color car. Yes or no? Both the persons are having same color car. Now how you will join this sentence? Yes, we will join this sentence by using the conjunction and. And in the second part of the sentence, which two words you will add? Yes, 1, 2. So let's see what is the answer. Mr. Rao has a red car and Mr. Das has a red 1, 2. Mr. Rao has a red car and Mr. Das has a red 1, 2. Okay. Now we'll see the next example. Mistress Das has a big basket. Mistress Rao has a big basket. Now, in these two sentences, both the ladies are having same basket. Yes or no? But the sentences are written separately. Now we have to join this sentence. How we will join? Let's see. We will join these two sentences by using the conjunction and. By using the conjunction and in between. And by using two new words in the place of basket. In the place of the word basket, we will add two new words. Which are they? 1, 2. Instead of writing basket word again, we will write 1, 2. So how you will read the sentence? Mrs. Das has a big basket and Mrs. Rao has a big 1, 2. I repeat, Mrs. Das has a big basket and Mrs. Rao has a big 1, 2. Now we'll see. Mohan is holding a red book. Full stop. Prem is holding a red book. Mohan is holding a red book. Prem is holding a red book. Now in these two sentences, both the boys are having same color book. Now we have to join this sentence. How we will join this sentence? Yes, by using the conjunction and. And which two words we will add in the last? Yes, we will add 1, 2. So, let's see what is the answer. Yes, and the answer is Mohan is holding a red book and Prem is holding a red one, too. After 1, you will give a comma. So, how you will read the sentence? Mohan is holding a red book and Prem is holding a red one, too. Prem is holding a red one, too. Now, let's see another example. Anu is holding a blue basket. Maya is holding a blue basket. I repeat, Anu is holding a blue basket. Maya is holding a blue basket. Now in these two sentences, both the girls are having. We'll see the next sentence. Anu is holding a blue basket. Maya is holding a blue basket. Now how you will join these sentences? Yes, we will join this sentence by using the word and. And which two words you will add in the end? 1, 2. So let's see the answer. Anu is holding a blue basket and Maya is holding a blue 1, 2. So in this sentences, both the sentences, the Anu and Maya are having same color basket. So we will join these two sentences by using the conjunction and. By using the conjunction and again writing the word basket. Instead of writing the word basket again and again, we will write the word 1, 2. Which two words we will write? 1, 2. Okay. Now let's see next example. Mohan is wearing black shoes. Full stop. Prem is wearing black shoes. Now in these two sentences, both the persons are having same color shoes. Mohan and Prem are having same color shoes. Now we have to join this sentence. How we will join? Let's see. Mohan is wearing a black shoes and Prem is wearing black 1, 2. Now you all must have understood how we are joining the sentence. We are joining the two sentences. We are joining these two similar sentences. To join these two similar sentences, we are using the conjunction and to avoid the repeating of that same word, in the end, we are using the words 1, 2. Which two words we are using in the end? 1, 2. Okay. So how you will read? Mohan is wearing black shoes and Prem is wearing black 1, 2. How you will read? Mohan is wearing black shoes and Prem is wearing black 1, 2. Now we'll see the next sentence. The men are wearing white hats. Full stop. The women are wearing white hats. Now can you see in this picture, both men and women are wearing same color hats. Yes or no? Now we have to join these two similar sentences. Both men and women are wearing white color hats. Now how you will join these two similar sentences? By using the conjunction and in the end of this sentence, by joining these two sentences, in the end of this sentence, which two words you will add? 1 and 2. So how you will write the sentence? Let's see. The men are wearing white hats and the women are wearing white 1, 2. How you will read the sentence? The men are wearing white hats and the women are wearing white 1, 2. Now let's see the next example. I have red pencil. Full stop. Prem has a red pencil. Now here both the boys are having red color pencil. Now we have to join these two similar sentences. So how we will join? Yes, by using the conjunction and. Which conjunction we are using here to join these two sentences? And in the end, instead of writing pencil again and again, we are using the word 1, 2. So how you will write this sentence? By combining, how you will combine this sentence? Let's see. I have a red pencil and Prem has a red 1, 2. How you will write? I have a red pencil and Prem has a red 1, 2. Now let's see next sentence. We have a big picture. They have a big picture. I repeat, we have a big picture. They have a big picture. Now in these two sentences, both are having big pictures. Yes or no? We are having big picture. They are having big picture. Now these two sentences are similar and we have to join these two sentences. How we will join these two sentences? Yes, by using the conjunction and. By using the conjunction and. So how we will join? Let's see. We have a big picture and they have a big 1, 2. How we will join these two sentences? We have a big picture and they have a big 1, 2. In the place of picture, we have used the word 1, 2. Now students, I hope you all must have understood how we have to join this two sentences, two similar sentences, and when to use 1, 2 in the sentence. So based on this, we will do one small activity. So are you all ready for the activity? Okay, we'll start with the activity. Now in this activity, I will read the question and you have to write the answer. I will tell you the answer orally and you have to write the answer along with the question. So shall we start? Okay. Our first question. Mohan has a red shirt. Full stop. Raj has a red shirt. Now these two sentences are similar. Now how we will join these two sentences? Yes, by using the conjunction and. By using the conjunction and. And in the end of the sentence, which word you will join? Yes, in the end of the sentence, we will add the word 1, 2. So how you will write the answer? Mohan has a red shirt and Raj has a red 1, 2. How you will write the answer? Mohan has a red shirt and Raj has a red 1, 2. Now let's see the next question. Riya has a black pen. Full stop. Seema has a black pen. I repeat. Riya has a black pen. Full stop. Seema has a black pen. Now how we will join these sentences, these two similar sentences? Yes, by using the conjunction and. And in the end of the sentence, we will use the word 1, 2. So how you will write the answer? Riya has a black pen and Seema has a black 1, 2. How you will write the answer? Riya has a black pen and Seema has a black 1, 2. Now we'll see the next question. Raj is wearing white shoes. Full stop. Mihir is wearing white shoes. Now these two sentences are similar. Now how you will join this sentence? By using the conjunction and. So how you will write the answer? Raj is wearing white shoes and Mihir is wearing white shoes. Instead of shoes, which word you will add here? Yes, white 1, 2. So how you will write the answer? Raj is wearing white shoes and Mihir is wearing white 1, 2. Now let's see next question. We have a big car. They have a big car. We have a big car. We'll stop. They have a big car. Now, in these two sentences, one thing is similar. Both are having big car. Yes or no? We are also having big car and they are also having big car. Now, these two sentences are similar. So, how you will join this sentence? By using the conjunction and. So, how we will write this answer? We have a big car and they have a big. Instead of word car, which two words we will add here? Big 1, 2. How you will write the answer? We have a big car and they have a big 1, 2. Students, I hope you all must have understood what we have studied today. So, what you will do? You will do this activity 2 times and again you will revise this lesson. We will see one fresh lesson in the next period. Till then, thank you.